Alright guys, we have work here. We are doing the trunk lock rekey for Ford F-150 2016. It's 2015 and up, they are same. Is the trunk lock or the door lock, it would be the same thing. So let me show you how this one will work. First off, because the customer, he wanted decoded to the ignition door, so this one, it will open the ignition and the trunk or the driver door. So what we do first, the customer just order the part, and with the pins, see those is the pin 1 2 3 4 5. Each pin has 2 right and left. I'll show you how. And we have the housing here, and we have some spring, and those are the connector. So first, what do? We just decode it. So if you have your machine, you go to the Ford 2016 and you decode it. I decode it, and we got the code here. So the trunk, it has only 6 bedding, and the ignition, it has 10. So we're gonna start from numbers here, from number 5 to the end, so just 6. We don't need the rest. Okay, and let me show you how I actually get them. I already got the code right here, which is we start from here, which is one right here, and I already installed the pins. On each hole you need to install the pin, the spring. You see here, there is a spring inside. See 3 in the top, 3 in the bottom. And what we're gonna do, after you install the spring, you're gonna put those pins right here, one on this side and the other on the back, and you repeat the process. But let's say you put here, you start right. Start here right or on the back right. I'm not sure how you identify it, but you gotta just do it first. You put the first right and the second left. Right, left, right, left, as here. So right, left, right, left, right, left. You see where L is left, R is right, and you got those boxes, one for left, one for right. After you get them, just install them, and you put the key in. If it go in, that means your setup is correct. If it didn't go in, you just, let's say you start from here, you put here right. If it didn't go in, you just flip it. You change this one to left, or just keep it here. Change this one left, and you change all the. So this one be left, this one be right, left, right, left, right. But I did check, and this is my order. And let me put it in, and let me show you. Alright, you just pick the first one. Just put it just right here. And you hold it from here, flip it, and just also be careful. Sometimes when you flip it, the spring will go down. But what I did when I put them, I just put some this liquid here, put it in, and it's stuck, don't move. So here, what you do, you just hold it, flip it, take this pin here, make sure this edge here against the spring. Alright, and now you hold it to your second finger, and you go to the second one, and it just repeats. Now just take the key and make sure it fit in. If it didn't fit in, that means you gotta restart it and change that from left to right. But I believe it's just start from the right, from here to the end. So make sure all of them flat. See, is it flat with the surface? If somebody come out a little bit, if one pin, I mean you decoded wrong. Just check the decoding. Alright, and after that, alright guys, so after we complete it, see now flat, and I put some this here liquid oil grease, and before we put it here, we gotta put this one here, this spring just right here inside, and we put that one in just like that. Right, and after that just press it and we take our key out. Okay, and then bring that one here. This one will not accept Chrome. If you want to put it the other side, it will not go, I believe. So let's try it. Actually, it went. Okay, so now to be honest, you gotta see the car, which way is it, and it's easy to take it off. So just after you put it here, let's get your clips, just write this and let's put it here, and you press it with anything. So I'm gonna press it with the key. There you go. Right, check it again. Make sure it's turning. Perfect. And now you put this spring just right here, and you put that one. Which side gonna go? I believe this side. Yeah. So you see that? It will go to that hole. So read that side. From here, just press it and should clip. I just make sure this one here. Push it a little bit. Right, I just push it, to be honest, and I pushed that one, it was out a little bit to that side, and it's all good. Just make sure it's turning right and left, no issues. Alright, and now just the final, put this piece here, and when you put it, just bring screwdriver and you hammer it here on each side, this side and this side and this side and this side, and so it will clips, and that's it, you're good to go. Alright guys, if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.